Guys, BoydColossalVlogs is back with a brand new YouTube video. I apologize for yesterday's video that I uploaded. I was currently in a bad state of mind, and just feeling really sad, but that's besides the point. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to create your own YouTube channel. I've seen several different videos on how to create your own YouTube channel, and I want to make my own. So hopefully you guys do enjoy the rest of this video. Make sure you all like and comment and subscribe to the channel, BoydColossalVlogs. I will see you guys next time, and enjoy the rest of it. Alright, and I'm back. And in this video, like I was saying, it's how to create your own YouTube channel, how to get yourself off the ground. So basically, some of the things I found online and that I think would be good is one of those things. There's like 10 different things that you can do to start your own YouTube channel, but one of those things would be define your goals, and that would be why do you want to start your own YouTube channel? What are you looking to get out of it? Why do you want to make videos? What is your channel going to be about? That type of thing. There's a lot of different things you can do to make a YouTube channel. When I first created this YouTube channel, I had to start over because the last YouTube channel I had under BoydColossalVlogs got deleted. I don't know why, but it's okay. I started fresh, and it's alright. But basically, I don't know, man. It's really cool. And the first video I uploaded was just several videos just me playing acoustic guitar and singing. If you guys play music, dance, you do yoga, you rap, anything you can think of to make a YouTube video, you could just make one. You could just create a random video, just you looking at your camera, just talking to people. People would think that's pretty cool that you could look at your own camera and just talk to your friends. Talk to people who want to watch you do YouTube stuff or whatever you want to do. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be YouTube. It could be anything social media, Facebook Live, Instagram Live, anything you can think of. Just put that out. So yeah, it's defining your goals. And then for the second tip on here, it says you can create a channel. What you basically need to do is to create a YouTube channel, you could just create a Google account, either an existing Google account or create a brand new one. And from there you can create your channel name, all that, and your channel art, and all that. And it's pretty cool. But yeah, man. Then this next part is the about section. What I basically put in my about section, it doesn't have to be all fancy and perfect. You just be hey, my name is Michael. I make all kinds of videos, including vlogs, reviews, music, dance, anything you can think of. You can just throw that right in your about section. It's pretty cool. But after that, this part right here, the third one, is my favorite thing. It's you could just randomly just start uploading videos. Just you can either make YouTube videos using a camera, which is one camera that I know of is a Canon G7X. A lot of big YouTubers use. But what I do is, if you're on a budget like me and go out there, go to the store, buy an expensive camera gear. You could be like me. You could have an iPhone, any iPhone. You can just go into settings, fix your excuse me. You can fix your camera settings. And on my iPhone 7, one of my good friends from YouTube actually taught me this trick. Actually, I was just talking to him yesterday via Instagram, and yeah, man, it's pretty cool. Pretty sweet, but what he was telling me was just be yourself. Start uploading videos. Make sure when you upload a video, you don't do it from you can do it from your selfie camera to take pictures on. But the better, if you want better quality, better sound, better videos, you can shoot it from the way I'm shooting now, which is the back camera. Although you can't see yourself, it's pretty cool because like people can see you more clearly, people can hear you, and it's really cool. And it's pretty cool, man. But I'm at 4 minutes, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, man, just upload videos, whatever. If you have an expensive camera, if you got a webcam or a computer or a phone, that'll work too. And like when I edit my videos, I just I film the video on my iPhone, and then I film 2 separate videos. I film like a 30 to 40 second clip of me saying welcome to this channel, blah blah blah, and then basically saying what my video is about and subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like that stuff. And then I end that and I go into the actual video to be like, hey, that's pretty cool. It seems like people like actually see. Like when I had my last YouTube channel, I didn't do that. I was just like, hey, what's up? I'm BoydColossalVlogs. Welcome back to a new video, blah blah blah. And it's kept rambling on and on. No one wants to watch you just keep going on and not have like sections in your videos. Like when I do my videos now, I edit them into little parts, and the parts that I don't want, I just get rid of them. And it's pretty cool. And this other one, I didn't really look into this, but like you can create playlists on YouTube. It says here, once you create a few videos, you can group them together into a playlist on the channel. And if you want, you can do a playlist. It'll help your subscribers easily to see through your content. Like, hey, who is this new guy? Like, that's cool. So that's something cool. Then it says share your videos. So this is the thing. If you make a channel, if you make a YouTube channel, definitely go for it. Do what you want. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I support every single one of y'all. Do whatever you want. It's your life. It's your boys. Yeah. I think you guys should definitely do it. But like once you finish your video fully, and you edit it and you upload it and you edit it some more on YouTube now on my new Chromebook that's touchscreen, I can edit my YouTube video in iMovie and then upload it to my YouTube channel. That gets uploaded, and then once it goes on my YouTube channel, I can go on the Chromebook, and YouTube is all updated now, so I can go into YouTube Studio on YouTube, edit it some more, throw in what I do is I will throw in my most recent upload, and then in the left hand corner, and then in the right hand corner, I will throw up subscribe and my channel icon, and it's pretty cool. That's how you get people to see you, and also uploading videos will get people to be like, hey, this guy's pretty cool. So it's pretty awesome. And then yeah, man, it's pretty awesome. You can also from YouTube, you can live stream now, which is pretty good. And on here it's saying that the live video is more popular than ever. I actually just did a live stream myself, and it was pretty cool. I did it from my Chromebook, so the quality wasn't the best like it is now. Like I can look at the camera and be like, wow, my quality is very, very good looking right now. I'm quite satisfied with it. But yeah, man, so would I recommend you guys making your own YouTube channel? Heck yeah, I definitely would recommend you guys trying out YouTube and just start uploading random videos, you know, just talking about random stuff, whatever your hobby is. It's pretty cool, man. But yeah, that's all I really got for this YouTube video today. It was just me, just, you know, talking about how to create your own YouTube channel and get yourself off the ground. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, BoydColossalVlogs. I will see you guys next time, like I said. Spread positivity, don't give up on your dreams. The only place you can go is up from here, and I will see you guys next time.